The wind will be up, the wind's just picked up a bit. There we go. Well, hopefully I'm live. If not, I fly through the trees. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is Man Pigs here. I'm probably not live. Right through the trees. Screw it. Why not? Oh, someone's gonna blind me. Coming outside. Down here. There I am. Probably not live. I'm close to that tree. Hey. My skills don't go for me zooming fast yet. Concentrating. Am I live? Probably not. Tree there. I'm going over it here. It's about minutes. I haven't got a filter on this today. Turn around. Peekaboo. Right through here. Why not? Screw it. Probably gonna have to set up a live stream before I go out. So I did it last time, but obviously not work this time. Also get in there and mess around in the trees. Not many trees to crash into here. You know what I mean? Plenty of grass. Slow FPV. Up here a bit. Boy, slow down, kid. This way, shall we? I'm just having a bit of practice. Let's go through here. What? Hold on, wait. Let's be brave or stupid, one of the two. Concentrating. There we go. Easy. Easy peasy. Close to that tree. Boom. Don't matter. I love this little Neo. It's fucking. It's awesome. Really small. Whoa. That wind's picking up a bit now. Neo does not like the wind. Still nothing, says Jeanette. So I'm still not live. Oh dear. Oh well. It's me, this grass. Yeah. Straight through it. Oh dear. Oh, nearly. Oh, that's rude. It's having a bit of a mess. It's obviously not live, so. What can we do? Hey, yeah, go to this. Watch a guy on YouTube. I'm actually recording my voice, so I'm watching a guy on YouTube and he goes in woods and everything and he's crackers through these boulders where I am. Might be a bit too breezy for him here. There's a long grass here though. It does look like a bit nice, but I'm not into it so. There's a lot of grass down here. Problem is round here, like I said, there's a lot of grass and the wind goes up the hill and the wind has picked up a bit. Just a tad. I can hear the drone trying to fight the wind already. Bloody sun. TV in the grass. Oh, just gonna be that one. Camera up. See shadow of drone look. No, not a drone if it will crash. Concentrating. Just check our biscuit down here and all over first going. We've got some weeds there. On grass. Whee. Oh, his battery life starts screaming when it gets to about 3 minutes. Return to home! 3 minutes of battery life. Return to home.
Landing.
Oh, cancel. I went a bit too far down. Had the old joystick. So when it does that, just press cancel. Stops it from doing it. Oh yeah. Good deal. FPV. Oh. I can't tear the sensors off, it won't allow me to do it for the optical flow system underneath the drone. That won't let me do it on the Neo. It might do it on a Mini 4 Pro.
Battery level is low.
Cancel, told you.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
It won't do because I've just stopped it.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Alright, dear. Quiet. Chill your beans.
Landing.
No, don't land. I'm gonna go find it now. Found it. Basically, if you crash your drone, any drone for that matter, just use the Find My Drone feature and it'll start flashing and beeping. Took me straight to it. Easy. As I say, don't panic this man. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, all that malarkey. And on TikTok, don't forget to follow and heart it and all that stuff. And YouTube, like I say, like, share and comment. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later, guys. Bye for now. Bye.